How to fix Steam account stolen. First of all, go ahead and then proceed to lock your account. You simply have to open the official notification email sent by the Steam itself. Go ahead and launch your device's email application. Once you open it, go ahead and locate that specific email. Once you open it, you should be able to find Lock My Account link at the bottom. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. From there, all the trading and purchasing and also matchmaking will be prevented from the thief and getting your account banned. Now, all you have to do is scan your computer. First of all, run a full system scan using a trusted tool like Malwarebytes or Windows Defender. Now, proceed to change email account password from the secure device like your phone to ensure the thief cannot intercept Steam recovery codes. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Steam support. Once you're here, go ahead and then enter your original username or email address, and when the Steam asks to send a code to the thief's email, click I no longer have access to this at the bottom and fill out the form with your current contact email and attach your proof of ownership. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.